For all you guys who think the grass is greener in other countries, check this out.
Hello, good morning, Canadian living in the United States. One of the little missions that I have on the go is trying to understand the people that absolutely despise our current administration. And one of the things that I have learned that we are pushing for is the free universal health care. Now, as someone who lived with universal health care in Canada for 32 years of my life, I have a little bit of insight. Unfortunately, I don't think that we are aware of what we are asking for. I would like to show you how Canada's universal healthcare system is going. So be prepared. I made some notes. We want universal healthcare until we learn that 1 in 10 Canadians admitted to the ER waits more than 48 hours for a bed. We want universal healthcare until we learn that almost 1 million Canadians leave the emergency room before receiving care because the wait is too long. We want universal healthcare until we learn that emergency physicians start warning that dangerously long waits are costing lives. We want universal healthcare until Canada's own healthcare experts call emergency department overcrowding a national crisis. We want universal healthcare until we learn that specialist wait lists grow so long that doctors start closing their practices to new referrals. We want universal healthcare until we learn that nearly 6 million Canadians do not have access to a family doctor. We want universal healthcare until the system has fewer hospital beds per person than most developed countries while the demand keeps rising. We want universal healthcare until emergency departments become so overcrowded that patients are treated in the hallways because there are not enough beds. I think we need to be careful of what we're asking for. And if we're not going to be careful, can we at least be informed?
She's made some pretty convincing points to me. These are really complex issues. I think before we burn our entire system to the ground, maybe we should listen to people who have first-hand experience in the things that we are all batting around and fighting over.